Alright, here's a review on the Toro Recycler. Was this $25 or $35?
Huh?
Was this $25 or $35? Wasn't $35 when you bought it?
$35.
$35, yeah, $35 off Craigslist. Toro Recycler, 22-inch front wheel. This side's balder, slicker and snot. It gets a little traction on the edges. This one's got some traction left, but it's got 6.5 horse, guaranteed to start Toro Tecumseh engine. All it needed was the spark plug wire taped up, and it works pretty good so far. I tried soldering it, solder didn't work, but I guess solder on top of fence wire jammed in between the two, then taped up, that worked perfect. Really, let's see, what else can I demonstrate? Talk about, it's got the side opening flap. Demonstrate that in a minute. I wheel back. That's only available on the front wheel drive models. The bag, I have the bag over there. I don't think you need to see that. There we go. To pull the rope, let go to turn it off. And I guess I'll show you the underside really fast. Can you see that? No, you can't. Gotta shine in the light. Alright. Here's the underside. It's got the recycler design, so something to do with these hooks. And just something to do with the design just makes it so it makes a nice clean cut. About as good as a Honda or any other good mower, I guess, but better than your average mower. It's been sharpened recently. There's transmission. It's been a good transmission so far. Haven't done anything to it except for get an air filter and lots of gas. It can go up very high and go up very low. I love Toros for its ability to have middle notches. Toros, or not Toros, but Hondas and a lot of other mowers doesn't have half notches like this one does. It's a big plus to Toro. Alright, so I'm going to prime it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And, oh, right, got the spongy cord. It came with an attachment, well, not the one we had, but the previous Toros we had attachment. You stick in here, and it'll hold the thing up, but this works a lot better. Just take this, strap it underneath. Crap. Oh, it puts down right there. There. Just like that. And, what else I need to talk about? Oh yeah, originally when we got it, this thing was really low and it was a backbreaker, and every time, went around corners or hit a hole, the handlebars would hit you right in the groin. But I figured out you can actually adjust it. There's a hole right there. I don't know if you can see it. Hole right here, and you just push it in, and you can put it in this lower hole there if you want it to be lower, or this notch here for the handlebar to go higher. Great feature. Super easy adjustment. Alright, enough chit chat. Let me get my hand strapped in. This is why I like this Toro. Alright, here we go. Not too loud, but it's your lawnmower. See how well it works even for front wheel drive? It just plows right through it. Look at that. one right here so you can get a look at from a distance. So as you can see, it runs really well. It works really good. The only thing I don't like with this mower is how long the deck is. I mean, look at this. Do you really need, what, 5 inches farther out from the blade to the front? And I guess it's okay for front wheel drive. I think it gives it better weight distribution, for better grip, and better all that. You have bigger wheels in the back and a longer deck, and with front wheel drive, it gives it better weight distribution and it feels like less weight for the front wheels. However, for this rear wheel drive, you wouldn't get the big wheels, and it would still be long and huge, but it is kind of a heavy monster. I mean, I don't know the weight, but there it goes. It's a good mower. You can go mow thick grass, tall grass, and low grass. And don't think there's anything else for me to mention other than if you see one of these for a good deal, don't hesitate to snag it up, because they're good. Start it back up again. Let me demonstrate how easy it is to start. Alright, so I don't know how to rate this. I mean, I guess overall it's like a 9 out of 10. The only thing I don't like is, oh yeah, for the bag hole, it's a bit small, for like a Honda. It's like twice the size, and some other lawnmowers are twice the size, but it's not too small. But if you got wet grass, it clogs up super easy. That's the biggest fault. I do wish I had gears, but it's one of the cheaper models, so whatever, it's not a big deal. Overall, for what it is, it's a great mower. 9 out of 10, because nothing's perfect, and on what it is, I don't know, 9 out of 10. So, here you go, the end. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe. More lawnmower videos when I get to them. And, alright, so I'm going to stop talking, listen to some Tom Sawyer Rush music, and get some work done. Goodbye. Yep, that's the end result. Nice and clean. I know. Size shooting. Yeah, but don't have to break our backs, fill up the truck with all the grass. But yeah, not bad. And it was just, that short grass is nothing, no match for the Toro. Out over here, I left it same height, just a little past up in the middle. See? Up 1 notch from the middle, half notch from the middle, whatever. But all that was here. And then some, what do you call it? Like made a little driveway. And the grass is just as thick, just like this, the whole way up. Yep. And it was nothing for it. I mean, at times I'd let it out a little bit, let up, or, you know, do it about halfway in, or a quarter of the way of eating on the grass, but it was no match for it. Just ate it all up. Yeah, that's a good Toro.